How can we use Chiman stars of destiny to find out what is their erogenous zone? Welcome to Ask Auntie Amy, where we are changing the world one person at a time. Like and subscribe and get notified for our new videos. Hi, I'm Ask Auntie Amy. I am a feng shui coach and I use Chinese metaphysics to help people to live a happier and healthier and wealthier life. In this episode, we're going to talk about how you can tell which is their erogenous zone based on their Chiman stars of destiny. Before we start, you need to plot the Chiman chart. So go to the link in my description, the Chiman calculator. That's what you need to use. You need the hour as well of birth to be more accurate, okay? So go plot the chart. If heart is the stars of destiny, they like the heads and hair touch strokes, If hero is the stars of destiny, they like the back and skin touch. If heavenly bird is their stars of destiny, they like the lower back and torso to be touched. If ambassador is their stars of destiny, they like their legs to be touched. Or you can compliment their sexy legs or something like that. If pillar is their stars of destiny, their senses and their mind are the turn on for them. If grain is their stars of destiny, their neck, the back of their neck, kiss them there. If destructor is the stars of destiny, is the arms and leg, touch them there, rub them. For assistant is the inner thighs. And if they have grass is their stars of destiny, definitely give them feet rubs. Feet is their thing. I hope you find this Valentine's Day edition fun and informative. Please like, follow, subscribe, and get notified for our upcoming videos. Thank you.